think it's great news that the national lockdown will be ending on the 2nd of December. I think it's good that we're going back to a local approach and that there's been a lot of effort put into protecting things which are fundamental for who we are as a society and support for people to cope. So ensuring that people can go to places of worship, gyms stay open, which is very important to me personally, outdoor sports and the ability to go and see your team. But we've got to remember that this is still a monumental ask of people, these restrictions, like we've never seen before. I mean, it was only a year ago, if you just think back to how things were then, and the changes that we've had since then and the restrictions we're asking people. And I think it's crucial that we do bear in mind where we are, and we need to see the harms and the benefits of all the restrictions that we're asking people to do. I think another important thing, just going back to what your correspondent was saying previously, I think we also need to really understand how the tier system is going to operate. So the criteria of going into the different tiers, who decides, how these decisions are made, but crucially, how you move from a high tier down to a lower tier. And it's essential that we can explain that to our constituents, the public know what they need to do if people end up in a region that's in a higher tier so that they can move down into lower tiers. I mean, this is going to be with us for quite some time. You've heard the Health Secretary today saying, look until at least Easter. We've had some real great rays of hope come forward, such as the prospect of having a vaccine, introduction of mass testing to do various things. It's still nevertheless going to take a long time before we go back to some sort of normal. And we need to make sure that we've got a long-term plan to live with coronavirus to get us through to that point.